how to turn on automatically teleporter every time you fall. All right, to start, what you have to do is you have to go to your island settings. Then once you're over here, you have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to devices. Then once you're in devices, you have to search up MUT. This one right here, you just put it over here. Then you're going to search up teleporter. You're just going to drag this over here. Now you're just going to go back. From here, what you have to do, you have to take out your phone and click on the teleporter and just put it wherever you want to teleport to. So me, I want to teleport over here. So I'm going to just put it over here. We're just going to customize this. So I'm going to put low ground PP. I'm going to scroll down slowly. Just follow what I do. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Play visible effects. Just turn that off. Player sound effects. Turn that off. Just click on OK. You're just going to go down under the map. And you're going to take your take the MUT out. You're just going to put it over here. All right, you're going to customize this and you're just going to follow what I do. So for the zone width, you're going to put this like at 100. Boom. You're also going to put this one at 100 too. You're going to put this at 0.5. Now you're just going to click on OK. It's going to look like this. Like it should take out like the whole map. All right, now you're just going to go back to it, customize it again. You're going to go to the second last one. You're going to click on add like device, and it should be the teleporter. So low ground TP right here. Click on that, like function, teleport. Okay. From the under, you're just going to drag it all the way up. So you're just going to click on P, click on up. You're going to go under your build. So don't go too far down because it's not going to work. So you got to be like right under it. So let's time I put it right here. Boom, I just save it. All right, so once you do this, you're just going to start the game. And now if I fall right here, I'm just going to automatically respawn right here. That's how you turn on automatically teleporter every time you fall. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.